Hello everyone, magandang oras sa ating lahat. Welcome to my videos. Maraming salamat sa panonood at lalo na sa mga nag-subscribe. Thank you guys. At kung bago ka pa lang dito sa aking videos, huwag kalimutan mag-like, comments, shares and subscribe para updated ka sa aking mga bagong upload ng mga videos na mayroong mga gandang kasaysayan at halaga tungkol sa ating mga barya. Guys, ito yung coins ng Egypt. So, i-share ko sa inyo guys ang napakagandang history nito dahil ito ay napakatagal na. Ito yung tinatawag na mayroong 3 pyramids sa kanyang reverse or sa kanyang likuran. Ito yung 3 pyramid of Giza ng Egypt guys. So, share ko sa inyo ang napakagandang kwento nito guys. At ito yung kanyang history. The Egyptian one piastre coins, also known as one curse, has a rich history perfecting Egypt's economic and political changes. Introduced in the 19th century, the piastre was a subdivision of the Egyptian pound, with 100 piastres equaling 1 pound. Over the time, the coin's design, compositions, and size have evolved to align with Egypt's monetary policies and technological advancement. Early history. In 1834, Egypt adopted a bimetallic standard based on the Egyptian pound, subdivided into 100 piastres. Initially, coins were minted in various metals, including silver, for denominations like the 1 piastre. These early coins featured intricate design, often showcasing Islamic art and inscription. 20th century development. Throughout the 20th century, the 1 piastre coin underwent several transformations. 1924, bronze replaced copper nickel in the 1 mm coins, and the holes were removed from other copper nickel coins. 1938, bronze 5 and 10 mm coins were introduced. In 1944, silver hexagonal 2 piastre coins were introduced. And 1954 until 1956, a new coinage was introduced consisting of aluminum bronze 1, 5, and 10 mm coins and silver 5 and 10 and 20 piastre coins with the size of silver coinage significantly reduced. By silver coinage was abandoned and copper nickel 5 and 10 piastre coins were introduced. 1984, aluminum bronze 1 piastre coins were introduced. The design and composition. The design elements of the 1 piastre coins have varied, often featuring significant materials, symbols. For instance, in 1984, aluminum bronze 1 piastre coins depicts the 3 Great Pyramids of Giza on the reverse, symbolizing Egypt's rich cultural heritage. Modern era. In recent years, the 1 piastre coins has become less common in daily transaction due to inflation and decreasing purchasing power of small denominations. However, this coins remains a testament to Egypt's numismatic history and are of interest to collectors worldwide. So, ang ating bintahan dito guys, ating siling online itong ating barya ay 548.87 centavos. So, mababa lang guys kapag walang grado guys, ordinary coins lang. Nasa 548.87 centavos. So, yun guys, ang napakagandang history nito guys sa ating coins ng Egypt guys. Maraming salamat sa panonood guys at God bless sa ating lahat.